Gut Health Powerhouse Easy Hijiki Natto Recipe. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. Alright, so I have been sharing with you about some seaweed dishes, yeah? So I shared with you a video called 7 must-try Japanese seaweed dishes, yeah? And then I've also shared with you some Nori Gohan recipes and onigiri, which is a rice bowl using Nori, yeah? So I've shared with you some recipes using Nori. So today I'll share with you a recipe using hijiki. Hijiki is another kind of seaweed. Now, hijiki is great because it is high in calcium, magnesium, and also fiber. It's a high fiber ingredient, yeah? And then, so there is a dish called Hijiki to Daizu no Nimono. It's a kind of stewed hijiki and soybeans, yeah? Now, so today it is just like that, but I am using natto instead of soybeans, right? I mean, soybeans one is great too, but natto is fermented soybeans, so it's even better. And then, considering your gut health, yeah, it is a perfect combination because hijiki is great for the gut, you know, having so high fiber, but natto has a lot of fiber, plus, you know, there's so many other benefit to your gut, including natto bacteria. So natto hijiki or hijiki natto is the perfect food for your gut health, right? All right, so what you need to do, first I'll share with you what ingredient you need, yeah? So you need natto, of course, about 50 grams of natto, and then thinly sliced carrot, yeah, you need thinly sliced carrot, about 50 grams, and then hijiki, yeah, about 50 grams. You need to soak hijiki possibly overnight or just maybe 30 minutes. At least for 30 minutes you need to soak hijiki in the water, yeah. And then you need some dashi jiru. So in my case I use kombu as dashi, so I soak kombu overnight, yeah, and then the water becomes dashi jiru, yeah. So this dish contains some kombu as well, right? And also you need soy sauce and some kind of sugar. I'm using a brown sugar, yeah, and some kind of oil like rice oil or olive oil, yeah. First you turn the gas on, yeah, and then you pour some oil, so olive oil, yeah, about 1 tablespoon, yeah. So just then you put carrot, and stir the carrot. And when the carrots are kind of cooked, you want to drain hijiki. So you have a soaked hijiki, you kind of drain it. I would actually put it on top of this kombu dashi jiru. And then you put it on the carrot. kind of stir it. And then you pour this dashijiru, yeah? Dashijiru about 100 cc. Then about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then about 1 tablespoon of this brown sugar. And you kind of do it in the middle flame, so not high flame, not low flame, but kind of somewhere in the middle. And then you want to put this lid over it. And you sort of stew it until the water comes off. And meanwhile, so you have natto, right? Yeah? And then you want to stir natto many times. Maybe you can stir natto about 100 times while you're waiting. Right, so the water is kind of disappearing now, so I can take this lid out, and then then I can turn the gas off now. Then I put it into a bowl. So I'll put it into a bowl like this, and then I add natto. Then I add natto and mix the natto with carrots and hijiki. Yeah, like that. Yes, just like that. So this is Hijiki Natto. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Have you ever tried Hijiki Natto before? Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!